Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Geeks, and today we're going to check out how's your Mate 50. Well, for my case, I've been using the Huawei Mate 50 for some quite time now. I really love how Huawei implements their photography, and honestly, their photography is just spot on, where a lot of people will say, your camera is so good, your photos are really nice, and there's just really some component that I really love about doing my photography on a Huawei smartphone. But of course, the big question in the room is how's your usage of your smartphone? Of course, late last year, I introduced you a method in terms of maximizing your smartphone. And of course, you can find that here on this link or just here above. But this time, it's really more easier in terms of using your Huawei smartphone through the AppGallery. Now, I'm really glad that the AppGallery is growing day by day, and I'm really maximizing my Huawei smartphone right now. Now, at this point, how do you really maximize it right now? This 2023, the AppGallery is now easier than ever in terms of downloading applications. And you don't have to keep on switching from apps to apps or redirecting from another link to another link. This time, it's more intuitive, it's much faster and easier. So, this 2023 is now even more fluid than ever. Honestly, I'm going to show you, of course, one thing you do with your phone is play games. And honestly, playing games on this smartphone with its curved display is really nice. So I'm going to show you right now in how to do this by downloading 5 or at least 5 of the most top applications or games in the market right now. So let's try it out. Okay, so I turned on my screen recorder right now. Let me just open it. Okay, so let me just open my screen recorder right now for you guys to also see what I see. Alright, so I'm on my home screen right now. As you can see, I have a lot of applications already open from Facebook, Messenger, Netflix, YouTube, Mobile Legends, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram. But of course, you want to play the latest games. So let me just open the Huawei AppGallery. As you can see here, of course, there's just a short introduction. So let's say Tower of Fantasy. It's one of the latest games right now. You will be redirected into the link where it can be downloaded. Of course, it's through Gbox, that was mentioned before. But this time, if you already link your application to the Huawei AppGallery, you will just be able to you will just be asked to sign in to your Google account one time, and now you can press install, and then that's it. It's just using a regular smartphone, nothing different, and it's just really fast. So let me just download right now Tower Fantasy. Okay. Then, of course, aside from that, we can have what applications? Just for fun, Plants versus Zombies. Same thing, same journey. All I have to do is just press install. Of course, right now it's pending because Tower of Fantasy is downloading. It can't be downloaded all at the same time. But let's just download more apps right now. So, same thing. Let's see. How about Minecraft? Okay, Minecraft, 385 pesos. But don't worry, this still functions the same way. If I press here, I'm just going to, let me add Tower Fantasy, of course. For this one, I just have to use, of course, I already binded my credit card on my Google account. All I have to do is just press buy. Then let me just insert my password and skip on this one, guys. Of course, for safety purposes, always enable authentication for every purchase. But on this one, using my Huawei smartphone, I was able to buy a smartphone game using this one. So it's just like using like any other smartphone right now. So okay, so Minecraft is now also downloading right now. One more game. How about League of Legends? Okay, League of Legends Wild Rift. I know isn't a popular game for a lot of people, but there's still a fan audience about it. And honestly, for me, I am a fan of it. I'm really liking the better graphics on this one and more of a streamlined gaming option rather than the fast tap of other MOBA games. But that's just my opinion. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Alright, so Minecraft is already downloaded. League of Legends Wild Rift is currently downloading right now. Fortunately, I have fast internet, so just a segue. But on this one, it's really nice that you will be able to download applications and Wi-Fi 6 as well. I'll just show you right now my whole library of applications, as you can see on the screen right now. So I have most of the games downloaded, even the paid game such as Minecraft, and now I'll be able to open the application. Alright guys, so I think that's enough in terms of showing you the benefits of the latest Huawei AppGallery when it comes to downloading applications. As you can see, I was able to maximize my Huawei Mate 50 Pro not only in terms of messaging, some applications in social media, but also in terms of gaming. Now, it's faster than ever and easier, and I'm really glad that Huawei is really stepping up and expanding its AppGallery in terms of its fullest potential in order for you to enjoy your Huawei smartphone. Honestly, this really levels up my usage for the Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and I'm really glad that they were able to improve on this. Alright, thank you guys for checking out this video. If you have any questions about downloading applications, if you have any curiosity about this video as well in terms of getting a Huawei Mate 50 Pro, you can surely ask me down below. And of course, do give us a follow and also support us by subscribing this video and hitting that notification bell icon. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you so much for supporting us. Visit our website as well, and that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.